Frogs. Some people love them, some people hate them. But no matter what your thought is on frogs, one factor remains the same. Not only are they a critical part of the world's habitat, they are also a reflection of the Earth's environmental state. Rainforests are known as a perfect habitat for a frog species to thrive in. Water in abundant amounts, plenty of insects to prey on, and thousands of hiding spaces. No wonder 2,100 frog species call rainforests their home. Karen Lips, a Southern Illinois herpetologist, has been studying frogs in national parks, the most protected areas, where there is no logging, no farming, and no spraying of pesticides. But frogs in these areas are still dying, causing massive interest into the reasons why this is occurring. There are many theories to the cause or causes that are killing off our amphibian friends. One theory is pollution and climate change. Since a frog's skin is very porous and covered with many tiny holes, they absorb chemicals and pollutants from the air and water easily. This biological trait has given frogs a rapport as an indicator species, with their health very likely being a mirror image to the well-being of our planet. Alan Pounds, a researcher of the Monteverde Cloud Forest Preserve in Costa Rica, has found 20 to 40 frog species disappear since 1989. This has been suggested to have occurred due to global warming, causing the clouds in these forests to shift upwards and depleting mist in these forests, affecting the frog's ability to survive. Frogs are ectotherms, meaning they regulate their temperature largely by exchanging heat with their surroundings. Therefore, even slight changes in temperature and climate have devastating effect on these creatures. Another theory for the extinction of these animals is disease. Karen Lips, returning to a research site in Western Panama, discovered dead and dying frogs everywhere in 1997. Lips, shocked with what she had found, conducted autopsies and found the cause of death to be a fungus called chytrid. This fungus penetrates deep into the frog's skin, eventually suffocating them. To try and preserve frogs in case of complete annihilation of their species, Lips conducted an emergency program capturing different frog species, reproducing them in captivity in case of catastrophe in wild populations. One of these species, the poison dart frog, produces a complex chemical toxin in their skin called alkaloid. Medical scientists see these alkaloids as new windows to treating human medical diseases. However, one problem occurred. These dart frogs did not produce these toxins in captivity. They ingest these toxins from insects in the wild that they eat, utilising them for their own defence. The many species of frogs in today's biodiversity is astounding. However, many of these species find themselves subject to habitat destruction and disease due to many environmental problems brought on by the human population. Frogs have been around for nearly 200 million years, an impressive amount of time for a species to thrive. We need to care for our planet, otherwise these creatures face severe threat of becoming extinct.